tired of wasting your precious time and hard-earned money on Upwork Connects? Well, my friend, you're not alone. As you've probably seen from these two videos that I did recently, I haven't been too happy about Upwork Connects for a while now. And today I'm throwing politeness out the window, we don't need her, and unleashing the unfiltered truth about Upwork's most hated feature, Upwork Connects. Now get ready for some real eye-opening insight that will have you reevaluating how you look at Upwork. Shit's about to get real, so buckle up and let's get into it. Now, personally, I don't think Connects are all that bad. Let's just start off by saying that I do think that they did solve a big problem at the time. That was, people were just bulk applying to everything they saw, copy and paste proposals everywhere, and there were a lot of proposals. Clients were getting a lot of proposals to their jobs that were just piles of shit. That's the reality. And back when they introduced Connects, if you weren't around for that time, they gave you a certain amount of Connects a month, and you just had to use them sparingly. But then they obviously had to make money with it, so they made them paid, and they still gave us and still are giving us 10 free Connects a month. As you probably know, nowadays that doesn't work. It's not enough for most jobs, since a lot of jobs now are an amazing 16 Connects. I can't believe that. I truly feel like they're now abusing the system. They are taking advantage of the fact that people are buying Connects, and they're making you use Connects for virtually anything that you want to do on the platform, which I think it's taking it a little bit too far. Not to say a lot, but yeah, a lot. You can use Connects now to send proposals, and like I just said, they can go anywhere from, I believe, 4 Connects to 16 at the time I'm recording. And I talked about that in a recent video, link right here. You can use Connect to boost those proposals. So if it wasn't enough for you to spend 16 Connects on a proposal, you can boost it, and there are some ridiculous boosts going on out there. People spending like 300 Connects on boosting something. So at 15 cents a Connect, 300 Connects would be something. I'll put it right here on the screen because I can math. Yeah, that's a lot. And there's also the feature where I have the most recent beef with, and that is the availability badge. I kind of hate the availability badge. I never was a fan of the idea. I never signed up for it because I thought it was just bullshit. But the other day I decided if I want to speak to it, I need to try it. So I tried it out for about a week. Kind of forgot to turn it off, so it was probably longer than a week, longer than it should have been, especially because I'm just going to flat out say it didn't work. In fact, it hurt my reach. I hate to say that, like, it's ridiculous. I spend money on that shit. Like, I can show you my stats right here. They speak for themselves. Like, I was having more reach and more views of my profile when I didn't have the availability badge on, and now I'm truly afraid that it has sunk my profile forever. I don't know. As you can see, I'm now getting a less reach, less views, whatever you want to call it, than I was before I turned it on, so only time will tell. But I currently hate it. Now, do I think Upwork is still worth it? Yes, I know. But do I think they should consider changing some of these things? Totally. I mean, spending $2 to make 1,000 doesn't sound that much in the grand scheme of things, but do freelancers really want to gamble away their Connects like that? Heck no. At least I don't. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comments, but I think that's too much. But in the end, I still think that Upwork is a great place to find clients that are already ready to hire, so they already know they have a problem, they already know that a freelancer can solve it, so you only need to sell them on why you're the freelancer for the job, and that, in my opinion, makes it super easy, or much easier than it would to pitch to clients on other types of platforms. And trust me, I met some great clients on Upwork that I'm super thankful for and that I wouldn't have met otherwise. So I'm literally eternally thankful for Upwork to getting me those clients, getting me in touch with those clients, and opening up my freelancing journey. Because if you don't know, I started on Upwork 10 years ago and I didn't know anything about freelancing. So everything I know today was learned through Upwork. So I have a deep connection with it, and apart from that, still think it's a great platform. But I do get it. If you're just starting out, it can be scary to gamble away your connects like that. So yeah, I wish they changed that part of it. That being said, it doesn't need to be that hard. I've made a lot of mistakes in the past that I've learned from, and now you don't need to make all the same mistakes. You can learn from my mistakes, because I recently put out my Upwork for Newbies ebook, which teaches you everything I learned over the past 10 years on Upwork. So you can avoid those mistakes that will eventually cost you time and money, and you don't want that. And guess what? It's currently only $5, so go ahead and grab it while you can, because it's definitely not gonna stay at that price forever. But yeah, hurry up, link below, and then stop recording. Sweet. So yeah, grab it, link below. I'll see you next time.